Hello, my comrades and friends. It is Michal Bekir, and today we have a broken iPhone 4 case. There we go. Cracked. Also, this is scratched, so I can bend it, do whatever I want with it. If you don't notice, this is the back. So this is a pretty shitty camera, but whatever. It's an iPhone 4 HD camera. I did get my back replaced. It's red now. I'll show it to you later, but I want to destroy this first, actually. So, since I've really nothing left to do with this, this is an original Apple OEM glass case, but it's cracked. This is scratched up. It's dirty. It's again scratched. You know, nothing to do with it. Plus, it's like already folded a little bit here, so let's try and break it. So if you can see that, oh god, oh. Let's get a piece of paper here. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's like glass everywhere. Oh, holy shit. Look at that. I cracked it. Oh god, I should take a screwdriver, whatever I have. Oh, look at that, comrades. What the fuck is this? Holy shit. Oh yeah, that's better. Whoa. This is like all glass, guys. All glass. Then we crack this part. Oh, here it says some Apple iPhone shit. Oh, I got stabbed. Remember, this is glass, comrades. And this is sort of like, I don't know what this is. Oh shit, that is lots and lots of glass. This is what, oh fuck. Oh, it's sprayed everywhere. Glass is everywhere now. Shit, shit. But this is something you do not want to do unless you already cracked it and got a replacement. So, I mean, there's nothing left now for me to do other than maybe crack it. But damn, you can also see how much it is resistant. I mean, look, after so much, it is still very, very hard. I'm actually telling this to Apple that, holy shit, congratulations on making a product that, you know, you can still use without it breaking after quite some time. And, damn, let's try and crack this off. So, if you can see there. I got it. I got it. Oh. This is what's left of the iPhone so far. Amazing. Oh my god. See, comrades, this is amazing that